Okay, let me quickly show you something. If you are watching this channel for the first time, I want to welcome you. If you have been my subscriber, thank you for being part of this wonderful journey. I'm going to be showing you today how you can see how this is where I enter this trade. This is forex trading. This is where I enter this trade. You can see, and you can see, look at the total. I'm already making 737. This is my previous balance, 10,443, and this is the balance now, 11,000. So I've been able to make more than 700,000. You can see. So let me screenshot it. Let me screenshot it on my phone again. So now, how do I enter this trade? How do I enter this trade? I'm going to be showing you how I enter this trade on my trading view. Let me go back to my trading view and show you how I enter this trade. Yeah, this is my trading view. You can see this is my trading view. So I entered around this area. And you can see this is my target line. So, and my trade is already moving down to my target line. My target line is a minus 0.27, and you can see how this trade is running to my target line. So I don't know whether you have a foundation knowledge about trading before, but you can see from my EXNESS account, you can see I'm already close to 750. This is 737, and this trade is still running. You can see, we are already at 800. This is 800. So I guess this trade is going to hit $1,000. This trade is likely going to hit $1,000. It's likely going to hit $1,000. I'm telling you. So you can see. So let me go back to my trading view. So you can see where I enter. I enter at exactly 1.25, 1.25115. That's where I entered. And let me see if this trade is still. If I'm recording, okay, I think I'm recording. Okay, let's continue. So I enter at exactly 1.25115. So all you need to do is to first of all gain the knowledge. So once you gain the knowledge, you need to acquire the forex trading skills. So once you acquire the forex trading skills, so you will not be in a hurry to take profits or and you will not be afraid of stop loss. And you can see the criteria, the reason why I enter this trade. You can see some of the reason why I enter this trade. You can see my trend line. So the first reason why I enter this trade is because of this divergence. So I spot the divergence in 4 hours. Let me check 4 hours again. I spot this divergence in 4 hours. Though I entered this trade very late. Okay, let me go back to 1 hour. You can be able to see it very well. Okay, the first thing I need to tell you here is that look at if you want to enter trade, first of all, what you need to do first is to mark your key line. You can see the key line where you have this resistance and support. This is resistance and this is support. So you mark your key line first. Once you mark your key level of support and resistance, the up is the resistance, while the down here is the support. So and the next thing is that you're not going to, you can see I do that in 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour. So you now go to lower time frame like 1 hour. This is 1 hour. So I come back to 1 hour. So I now plot my trend line. You can see my trend line here. I plot my trend line. You can see the first touch, second touch, and this is the second one. And you can see there is an area of confluence around this area. So what we mean by area of confluence is that you can see this is resistance, and this is the resistance becomes support here. So but it breaks this line and come down, and you can see it has already crossed my trend line. It also crossed my key level. You can see this is my key level of resistance there that later becomes support here. So it has already break it, and also my moving average also cross. So anywhere you see the three that comes together like this, your key level, the trend line, and the moving average, you can see the moving average is also showing that it's crossing down. My moving average is also showing that it's crossing down. So you can see I was able to spot this in the higher time frame. You can see this is 1 hour time frame. Now I now move on to, so you will not enter in 1 hour or 4 hours. So you are going to enter the trade. in lower time frame. So I now go to 15 minutes. So you now scroll down to 15 minutes. So and this is where I enter the trade. You can see this is 15 minutes. This is 15 minutes. So you can see this is my 15 minutes. And you can see the where I enter. I will have entered this trade right from when the trade cross this moving average down. But I didn't enter. I entered at around 1.2115. Let me see. I entered around 1.2115. That was where I entered. As I show you. Okay, as I show you in my EXNESS. So I show you my EXNESS account, you can see. I entered at around 1.25. 1.25115. So I'm not afraid of any drawdown because I have a target. So and it has not reached my target. So it's just doing the it's just doing the pullback, and after pullback it will continue. It will continue. So all you need to do is to gain the knowledge. Once you gain the knowledge, try to also gain the confidence. You can see the trade running from 10,000 to 11,000. So now I'm just showing you how I spot this trade opportunity. And you can see I entered at 1.25115. Okay, this is 1.25. I enter around somewhere around this place. I enter around somewhere around this place. Okay, 1.25. 115. So I enter somewhere around this place. Yes, I enter around somewhere around this place. I enter somewhere around this is 15 minutes time frame. So you can see the cross. So the trade crossed my trend line, it crossed my key level, and the moving average is also showing that it's coming down. And my target is I'm targeting. So I'm targeting this. This is my target. I'm targeting negative 0.27. This is Fibonacci. I use Fibonacci. So I'm going to be taking you, going to be walking you through the journey of all these trading skills, trading knowledge. So if I show you my EXNESS account, so you can see we are still at 748. You can see this is 748. I'm not afraid of any pullback because I have a target. So you have to learn how to be patient with your trade. So you have to learn how to be patient with your trade. So what matter most is the knowledge. So all these things we are doing, you can back test it in your demo account before you fund your account with real money. So that all you need to do is to first of all acquire the knowledge. Once you acquire the knowledge and you acquire the confidence, so whatever strategy you are using, back test it first in your demo account. So once you see that you have been able to gain the confidence, you have been able to understand the market structure and how the market and you understand the market volatility, and you also gain the confidence. You are not afraid if the market is pulling back. So you know where to enter, and you know where to put your take profit. You know where to put your. You can see now. You can see how the market is dropping like waterfall. You can see this is 851. So we are now at 851 now. You can see. I told you this trade can enter $1,000 profit. So this is my target. So it's already approaching my target. You can see this is my target here. This is my target. So this is my target is already approaching. It can even move beyond my target. Can even reach this place. But in trading, you are not expected to be greedy. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy and don't be afraid, because trading is very risky, and that is why I'm also telling you that you can back test your strategy on the demo account. So I'm going to be leaving the link to my EXNESS account, my Octafx link, so that you can register there. Once you register there, you can be able to have an account. You just start with demo account first. Once you start with demo account, so try to learn along the line. Try to learn. You want to join my Telegram, so I'm going to also be dropping the link. So once you master this particular knowledge, once you acquire this particular skill, I bet you will never be afraid of fuel subsidy removal again, because you are going to be making money in dollars. You are going to be making money in dollars. So this type of skill, this forex trading skill, it also took me some time. to master. It took me some time to master. It took me some time to acquire the knowledge, and it took me some time to gain the confidence in it. So it took me a whole lot of time to gain confidence in it, because if you are not confident enough, you'll be afraid. Aha, my money is going, my money is running, I'm having a floating loss. I just made $2, $3. Let me quickly exit the trade so that the market will not take it off. So these are some of the things that you need to know. So you need to wait for confirmation. At least you need to get at least 3 to 4 confirmation before you enter trade. So and you need to be patient. So you will first of all be patient for a market setup to mature. So after a market setup is matured, you also going to be patient to reach for the market to reach your targets. So you also need to be patient for the market to reach your target. So these are some of the things. This is I'm trading GBP, USD, Great British Pound, and US dollar. That's what I'm trading this evening. So we have a lot of peers. So I have also promised in this channel that I'm going to be creating different type of videos on forex trading and how you can leverage on this wonderful skill that help you to make money in dollars. So I don't forget my promise. So I'm going to be following up. I just want to share this thing with you just to serve as motivation. I want you to be motivated. I want you to understand that once you can be able to gain this particular, you can see. Let me show you the lower time frame and see what has happened. Let me show you 15 minutes and see how the market is moving. You can see